everyone. Welcome back to SAT Math Question of the Day with the Chaiken brothers. Seth holds a PhD in math from MIT and is a professor emeritus at the University of New York at Albany. I have a PhD in mechanical engineering, and let's go. We are here to hopefully show you, give you suggestions on how to approach studying for the SAT, math SAT, and also how to approach actually doing math SAT questions. A great approach to study for the math SAT is to get yourself a Khan Academy account and just start practicing. You take the courses, whichever course you feel like, either the digital SAT or the old-fashioned SAT, and you just go through. And what's nice about this is the College Board has partnered with Khan Academy, and they're essentially telling you what is exactly on the test. So we are just plowing through these questions. We only do the advanced questions. We spend time, maybe too much time, going over how the concepts behind these questions. So hopefully, if you're listening to this, you could use some of the stuff we go over, and you can do the mediums and the foundation questions yourself. So, if you want to see exactly how to get this, check out our video on dated June 29th on how to get to this point in Khan Academy. Okay, we're only doing digital SAT questions, and those are the ones that are going to kick in starting winter of 2024 for the United States high school students. Okay, where are we? Yesterday we did the first two questions we only did the first question on data inferences. Today we are going to do this one. And after this, we're done with the unit. Evaluating statistical claims. Okay. Here we go. Probably just use common sense. How would put about the approach?
Someone said that common sense is called common because it's so uncommon.
Okay, well, let's see. Let's see what we get here. Evaluating statistical claims. So again, the big word here is going to be best. What is the best thing? You'll see. The question's going to have the word best in it. Based on this information, which of the following is true? Okay, so it's not a best thing. Okay, please read the question. Pause the video. Come back and let's go. A study was conducted to compare two biology study aids, a new online game, and physical flashcards. 80 middle school biology students were selected at random. That's good. And the parents chose which study aid their child used.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, uh-oh. Uh-oh, that's not good.
That doesn't sound like there's some bias coming in.
Yeah, common sense.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, the results showed that the students who used the flashcards had significantly better outcomes than students who used the online game. Based on this information, which of the following statements is true? Okay, we got to read all the answers because we got to choose the best one. Flashcards are a more effective study aid than online games for all. No, because the parents chose the thing. The lack of random assignment means there could be other explanations for the study results. That seems reasonable.
I think that's it.
Well, then we got to keep reading though.
I think the.
You never know. They
say to choose one answer. I bet that the other two are going to be worse.
Yeah, but in questions like this, I would say the approach.
It's a good idea to read all the distractors.
Absolutely.
To make sure you're on the right track.
Okay.
So read the last two.
Okay. The lack of a control group makes.
There's a control group.
The what?
There is a control group.
Okay. Let me finish.
So that's false.
Wait, the lack of a control group makes comparing flashcards and the online game impossible. Who's the control group? Oh, the control group.
The online game.
Oh, okay. None of the statements are true.
Well, B is true.
That's tricky.
Yeah.
But that they're saying is based. Yeah, I would say B is true.
Again, let's go back to common sense. Obviously, B is true.
Yeah, true enough.
The issue is that there was a lack of random assignment. The parents chose which media to child would choose. So even though the subjects were chosen at random,
right,
the choice of which study aid was not random.
That's right. That's right. That's right. That's right. That's right. That's right. Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is a bias thing. Okay, so let's go for it. Let's say B. Wow, we didn't even have to use any stylus or writing on this at all. Just common sense and reading. Okay, check. Wow. Okay, so now let's read all the distractors, as Seth says. Okay, incorrect. The study did not have random assignment, which means we cannot rule out other factors that may impact the outcomes for mid.
Well, they should have. They should have pointed out that the lack of random assignment was. We know that there was a lack of random assignment because you were told that the parents chose the assignment.
Right.
They should have explained that.
You mean in the answer?
That's why. That's our contribution to the world. We are adding explanations that are missing from the Khan Academy's tutorials.
Right. So can you go over that again? I didn't follow you on that.
Where they should have explained what it was in the question that told you that there is a lack of random assignments.
You're right. I'm just looking at all the answers here. They don't. Oh, wait. But we didn't look at the answer. We're only looking at the explanations as to why.
The explanation for the correct answer says the lack of random assignment.
Yeah.
How do you know that the assignment was not random?
Right, exactly. It has to do with.
Well, they should have said. They should have written here.
Seth, they did it in the answer.
The parents' choice.
Yes, but they did that in the answer. Pinky bet. When we look at the answer to the question.
I'm okay with their answer, but the explanation that they gave, this explanation could be better.
To be honest, if you're a person studying and you get it right, you're probably not reading these things.
But the point of this exercise is to help the people who don't get it right.
Yeah, so they're not reading. They're not. Oh, I see. Right. No. But if you're not getting this right, you should read the answer, the official answer. Okay, this is the official answer. So let's look at the official answer. Ready? Boy, the official answer is long, a lot of words. So let's get rid of Seth's scribble for now. And let's read the official answer.
Okay, there it is. The parents got to choose.
See, I went in the pinky bet.
Yeah.
Right. Exactly.
Okay, so they did explain it.
Of course they did. In the answer. Yeah.
Oh, okay, so they did explain it there. Good. So you have to look down there.
Right, you have to actually look at the answer.
Yeah. Okay.
Right.
Yeah. Good. That's excellent. That's good. All right. So I was confusing the repetition of the response with the explanation that the Khan Academy made for the problem.
Yeah.
Good. I'm sorry. Khan.
No. But you have a point. What they should have said here was the study did not have a random assignment because the parents were involved.
Yes. So you should have put it right here.
Just a little thing about because of the parent thing, because of the parents' involvement, because the parents' involvement was not random. Right?
Yeah, they
non-random.
When they make a statement, they should give a reason for it.
Yeah. Well, we can do that.
Because why?
Due to the non-randomness of the parents.
The parents' choice of the parents' choice.
Due to the non-randomness of the parents' choice, right? That's all they needed to do.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah, that's all they needed to do. Okay, that would have been better. You're right.
Yeah.
So anyway, that's what's going on. So, well, first of all, we've seen enough of these questions. Please read all the answers. Usually, the question says something about the best, which answer the
Sometimes
best.
not.
Sometimes not.
Well,
Yeah,
sometimes the question. The thing is, you can. What we've observed is that you cannot. It is false that all of these questions are of the form pick the best answer.
right. Yeah, 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 yeah. But this question, I mean, this is generally taught, at least in New York State curriculum, sometime in eighth grade math. Middle school math is you taught about biased stuff. So you have to go back to maybe a few years ago when you were in middle school, learning about what causes biased
Well, they should
studies.
review the
Yeah,
stuff.
yeah, yeah. You should. That's why you're doing it. That's why you're doing
They
this
should
here. Yeah,
review the stuff when they teach it at a more advanced level. But
yeah,
a thing to watch out for in this question is that uh, a distracting feature of the problem is that there was a random choice made in the study.
yeah.
The student participants were chosen
Right.
randomly.
Yeah, yeah.
So if and so merely responding to the keyword random and then ruling out the lack of random because
Yeah.
it says random misses the details of the situation.
Right. Right.
So it was half random,
Yeah, which isn't random.
which is not random.
Right. Right. Random is full random. Full random.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's going to be a while till we get to the next question. I'm dying to know if the next question. We're not going to do it. I'm just dying to know if the next question says which is the best response. I'm just curious. Um. Oh, look, see, which is an appropriate conclusion.
Yeah.
Is that sort of synonymous to which is the best? Not really, right? Appropriate conclusion.
No, I think.
Is it like can you substitute?
And then it says
best?
choose one answer.
Yeah. Which of the
Oh,
following
yeah.
is an appropriate conclusion? It's
Yeah. Well, I wonder if they ever give questions in which two of the responses are correct.
oh, you mean those silly things that say one and two, two and
No,
three?
no.
Yeah.
Where they say choose a correct conclusion.
Okay.
And they say just choose one.
Yeah.
And the options include two correct ones. I've never seen that in a sample SAT.
Yeah.
Where they tell you to pick one that is correct. They tell you must pick one.
Yeah.
But actually two or more of them are correct.
Yeah, I don't think they would do that.
They don't do that. No, apparently they don't do that.
This basic example, based on the result surveys, which of the following conclusions about the remake is valid? So that's not really a best. That's the only one, like, which is the only one that's true. Okay. Oh, so maybe I'm wrong about this whole thing about the best.
I think you are.
Yeah, I think I'm wrong about this one.
But we've seen we've seen other SAT questions in which the instructions are to pick the best conclusion.
Right. Yeah, I got to go down to the bottom. Hold on.
Some SATs ask for the best, and some ask for.
Okay, this is the harder one. See, I'm just going through the examples.
The one.
Oh, which of the following? Ooh, look at this. Must be true. Oh, this is
okay,
a
that's
must
one of
be
those
true.
babies.
This is a must be true, and this is harder because they give you a 1, 2, 3. Ooh, everyone hates these.
Yeah.
Oh my God, these are the ones you really don't want. Ugh, I hate these questions because they could be really tricky. Notice that this is a harder example. So you could go through this. I don't know if we have to do it. But you can watch it and try it yourself and watch their explanation.
But so are we done today?
I think so. What do you think?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I think so. So we encourage you to go back and play with the easier and harder examples in this unit. Even if you're totally confident in this subject, you should still go over these because these are nasty questions. These are particularly that one where the answer was 1 or 2 or 3 and 1, 3 and 1 and 3, 2 and 3, whatever. Really, it could be really tricky. So don't take these questions for granted. Please do not take this stuff for granted. Okay, everyone. So I guess tomorrow is Thursday, and hopefully we will do Throwback Thursday. We go back and visit a question that predates the 2016 SAT. Okay, everyone. So have a great day. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.